Every decision you make in your business either brings you closer to your customers or it pushes your customers away. As a business owner, what you really want is to make better decisions that draw your customers closer to the business. And to do that, you have to know who your customers are, what they like, and how to use that information to grow your business. That is where customer data comes in. And in this video, we'll look at the different types of customer data, how you can collect it, and how you can use it to grow the business. So what is customer data? In business, customer data is any kind of information that helps you understand your customers better. It can be grouped into four main categories. The first category is demographics. In demographics, it covers details such as customers' age, their gender, location, income, or even occupation. Businesses usually collect this type of data through sign-up forms, surveys, customer profiles, or loyalty program registrations. The second type of data is behavioral data. Behavioral data shows how customers interact with your business. It includes patterns like visiting time, purchase frequency, product preferences, and responses to marketing campaigns. This kind of data is typically gathered by tracking interactions with your digital systems if you have a website or some application, or by observing patterns in sales and customer habits through different kind of interactions. The third type of data is transactional data. This type of data records the actual purchases your customers make. It captures details such as the product or services bought, how much was spent, the payment method used, and the date of purchase. This type of data usually comes from point of sale systems, e-commerce platforms, invoices, receipts, or subscription records. And the fourth type of customer data is feedback data. And this data is collected. It reflects what customers say directly about their experiences. It includes opinions, satisfaction levels, suggestions for improvements, complaints, and any kind of concerns. Feedback is usually collected through surveys, reviews, interviews, support interactions, if you have feedback systems, or social media comments on your company or business posts. When you bring these four categories together, you get a much clearer picture of who your customers are, how they behave, what they buy, and how they feel about your business, your services, and your products. So the question is, why should you know about customer data, or why should you collect it in the first place? Collecting customer data is important because it gives you insights that can directly improve your businesses. First, these insights will help you understand your customer needs. You'll know what customers are really looking for, the challenges they face, and what keeps them coming back. Second, it allows you to improve your products and services. For example, if many customers mention that a dish is too salty or that delivery takes too long, you can make changes that raise satisfaction right away before you lose that customer. Third, customer data helps you personalize experiences. Instead of treating every customer the same, you can recommend products based on past purchases. You can send targeted offers, design loyalty rewards that make each of your customers feel valued and special. And finally, it enables you to identify growth opportunities by analyzing trends such as which products are most popular, which type of day brings in the most sales, or which channels attracts new customers. You can spot areas where your business can expand, optimize, or innovate. In short, collecting and using customer data is not just about keeping records. It's about making smarter decisions that lead to happier customers and a stronger business. We'll explore each of the cases where you can use the customer data to grow the business. But remember, customer data is not the only important data in the business. We also have product and service data. And in the next video, that is exactly what we are going to talk about. See you then.